Picture this. You're standing on the threshold of a new chapter in your life. The air is charged with excitement, your heart beats in anticipation, and your body pulses with energy. What if I told you that within this journey lies the power to transform not only your physical self, but your entire outlook on life? Welcome to the Cardio Chronicles, where we unravel the incredible tapestry of cardio training, a journey that takes you from ordinary to extraordinary. Have you ever wondered about the magic behind cardio training? What is it really, and why does it hold the key to a healthier, more vibrant you? Join me as we embark on a captivating journey to understand the essence of cardio training and its profound impact on your body and mind. Fasten your seatbelt. We're about to delve into a world of exhilarating discovery. At its core, cardio training is a symphony of movement, a dance between your heart, muscles, and breath. It's not just about working up a sweat, it's about igniting a transformation that ripples through every aspect of your being. Imagine your heart as the conductor, orchestrating a harmonious symphony that elevates your physical fitness to new heights. Are you ready to immerse yourself in this enchanting experience? Cardio training isn't confined to the gym, it's a journey that unfolds in the rhythm of your heartbeats. As your heart pumps faster, it's not just blood that courses through your veins, it's a surge of vitality and empowerment. Feel the rush of endorphins, those feel-good hormones coursing through your body, washing away stress and anxiety. Cardio becomes your secret sanctuary, a place where you shed the weight of worries and emerge rejuvenated. But let's not merely scratch the surface. Let's dive deeper into the science of heart rates. Did you know that syncing your heart's rhythm with your training goals can unlock new dimensions of performance? Each heartbeat becomes a note in the symphony of your journey, a step closer to your aspirations. Experience the thrill of harnessing the power of heart rate zones to maximize the impact of your workouts. Timing is everything, they say. Whether you're an early riser or a night owl, cardio training has a rhythm that aligns with your preferences. Morning workouts infuse your day with an invigorating energy, while evening sessions offer a tranquil release. Your body becomes attuned to the cadence of your chosen time, and your cardio journey takes on a personal touch. How will you choose to sync your rhythm with cardio's melody? Let's venture into the realm of cardio techniques, each a unique brushstroke on the canvas of fitness. Whether you find your stride through running's rhythmic dance, immerse yourself in the fluid embrace of swimming, or embark on the journey of discovery with cycling, each technique contributes to the grand tapestry of your fitness journey. Explore, experiment, and find the rhythm that resonates with your soul. Now, let's explore the powerful dance between cardio and weight loss. It's not just about burning calories. It's about activating a metabolic symphony that ignites your fat-burning potential. Every movement becomes a step closer to shedding the excess weight that no longer serves you. As you commit to this cardio odyssey, your body's composition transforms, and you emerge as a masterpiece of vitality. The cardio journey extends beyond physical transformation. It's a gateway to a deeper connection with yourself. As you traverse the path of cardio, you'll discover resilience you never knew existed. You'll unlock mental fortitude that propels you through challenges. And you'll tap into the wellspring of confidence that comes from pushing your limits and triumphing over obstacles. As we approach the final notes of our Cardio Chronicles, remember that this isn't just a workout routine. It's a lifestyle that celebrates your commitment to health and vitality. The journey you've embarked upon is a testament to your dedication, your willingness to push boundaries, and your desire to thrive. As the rhythm of change echoes within you, embrace it fully and let it guide you to new horizons. With that, dear friends, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for accompanying me on this cardio adventure. As you step off this virtual journey and into your reality, carry with you the empowerment, the inspiration, and the understanding that you are the conductor of your own symphony of transformation. Until our paths cross again, keep moving, keep evolving, and keep the rhythm of life alive. Thank you for being part of this extraordinary expedition, and until next time, remember, the cardio journey is just beginning. Please make sure to subscribe. New VODs are uploaded every week. Comment down below what you learned new about cardio. Share this video with a friend, and we will see you in the next video. Hope everyone is having an amazing day.